Hi friends, welcome to MBA Beginner YouTube channel. Through this channel, I will help you to learn practical skills that are useful for students, job seekers, professionals and business owners. Whether you want to learn Microsoft Excel, business concepts, data management, office productivity or other career oriented skills, you will find easy way to understand tutorials here. My goal is to simplify learning and provide practical knowledge that you can apply in your studies, workplace, and business. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you won't miss any upcoming tutorials. One more important thing, friends, all our lessons will be delivered in simple English so that everyone can easily understand and follow along. However, if you would like the same lessons in any other language such as Urdu or Hindi, please let us know in the comment section. Based on your feedback, we will be happy to create the same tutorials in preferred language as well. So, let's start with basics and gradually we will move towards the advanced Excel. Let's learn, grow, and build valuable skills together. So, welcome to MBA Beginner channel. Firstly, I will request you one thing that now we are going for the introduction part of the Excel and what we are going to study in this video in this part of tutorial. So I will request you to not skip this video because it will help you to understand what exactly we will be learning or what exactly we will be studying in this video so that you will be able to understand whether this video is helpful for you or not. So I will request you to please watch this video till the end and don't skip it. So firstly, who are our target audience? Firstly, who are our target audience? Those persons who have never used Excel before or beginner level users. If you're already advanced level, then this course is not for you because here we will be starting from the basics and gradually we will be moving towards the advanced Excel. Now, what are the requirements for this course? What are we expecting from you? It is simply you should know how to operate a PC, like open or close applications, or you should be able to delete and save files, etc. Right? That means you should know the basics as in like how to open the computer, how to shut down the computer, etc. etc. Right? And I strongly recommend you practice while you watch these lessons so that you will remember it. You won't forget all these lessons. This course has been developed to be as simple as possible because it is targeting beginners who have no exposure to Excel. And so there will be step by step guidance during this course so everyone can understand it easily. In this course, we will start from basics and gradually move to advanced topics. You will learn how to create, right? At the end of this course, you will learn how to create and manage spreadsheets, use formulas and functions, format data, sort and filter information, create charts, and much more. By the end of this course, you will be able to confidently use Microsoft Excel for data management, reporting, calculations, analysis, and productivity tasks. Now, the question is, what is Excel? Right. So what is Excel basically? Excel is a spreadsheet like you can see on the screen. So Excel is a spreadsheet software developed by Microsoft. That is why it is called as Microsoft Excel. It is a simply spreadsheet you can see. Right. It is called as grid area, which we will be learning in the upcoming parts. So firstly, Excel is a spreadsheet software developed by Microsoft. That is why it is called as Microsoft Excel. It is used to organize, store, and analyze data efficiently. It allows users to perform calculations using formulas and functions. It helps us in creating tables, reports, and data sheets. Users can sort, filter, and manage large amount of information easily. Excel can generate charts and graphs to visualize data. It is widely used in businesses, offices, schools, colleges, etc. Excel is useful for budgeting, accounting, inventory management, and data analysis. It improves productivity by automating repetitive calculations and tasks. Now the question is, why should I learn Excel? Already we have discussed it, but there are certain points which also I need to mention here. But most of the things we have already discussed. So why I should learn Excel? Excel increases your chance of employment, as it is one of the most widely used software tools in workplaces worldwide. It helps you organize and manage data efficiently, and it is one of the most top skill companies are looking for, right? This is the almost compulsory skill which you must know for any job, almost for any job which everywhere in the world, they require this skill. And as I discussed, most of the things we have already discussed previously, and in the upcoming videos we will start from the practical learning, because I think we are now able to understand what Excel is, in why what we are going to study in the upcoming tutorials. So in this, we will be closing this video, but yeah, please do remember to support us by clicking the share, like, and subscribe button. And in the upcoming videos we'll be doing practical